The season is ruined. The season is finished. The season is done. And that's all because of this management. I'm sick and tired of these people. These men are clueless. These men have no idea what they are doing. Men decided to suspend Nabi because they thought he's not credible for the CAF games, which is actually nonsense. How did the men manage young Africans and ASFA in the CAF competitions? How? It makes no sense. And now that the man has provided evidence that he is credible for those games, they wanna backtrack. Now they are confused. But the man is gone. The man has packed his bags. He's gone. It's over between Kaizer Chiefs and Nasreddine Nabi. And it's all on the management. It's all on them. And I'm not here, crying for Nabi. I believe he should have been sacked at the end of last season. We had a very, very poor season, but we won the Nedbank Cup, which was an incredible achievement. If you take into consideration that we went 10 years without winning a trophy, But even if they sacked him after at the end of last season, I wouldn't have a problem. But now you let him continue after a poor season. Okay, it's fine. Had a preseason, made thousands of signings. Had a brilliant start to the season, 4 wins out of 6. And yes, I'm hearing people saying, nah, he wasn't there in those first 3 games. He wasn't there. He came back and we have lost. We have drawn. Shut up. You don't know what you are talking about. Nabi might have not been there physically, but he was involved. That was his team. That was his plan. Take nothing away from the 2 assistant coaches. They did a brilliant job. But if you think Nabi didn't play a huge role in those wins, then unfortunately you are a moron. The season is finished. Okay, now we have to bring in a new manager. Because don't tell me these 2 guys are going to take over as the interims. Because there's no way. We literally just started the season. Only 6 games in. There's no way you can have an interim coach for more than 24 games. We have 24 games to play in the league. We have the CAF Confed. We have cup competitions, the Nedbank Cup and the Carling Cup. So if you are telling me these guys are going to manage the team as interim for that amount of time, then we are having a laugh. We need a new manager. And why am I saying the season is finished? Because there's no way there's no manager who's going to make this team tick immediately. The new manager is going to need time. So this season is finished. We've just bottled this season. And it's all because of, man, I am sick and tired of these men. They have no clue what they are doing. Okay, even if it was the case that Nabi is not credible for the Confed games, okay, they could have let him sort his things out, and coach from the stands. Just coach from the stands in those games, continue on the league, in domestic competitions, continue normally. But hey, it means they've been wanting to sack this guy. It's clear now. It is clear, and I can tell you now, knowing Kaizer Chiefs, they are going to appoint these 2 guys as the interim for the remainder of the season, which is a very, very long time. So the season has gone to waste, man. And I can't speak. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.